In this video, I'll show you how to buy Dogecoin on the Robinhood app. First, open the Robinhood app and make sure your crypto account is fully set up. Robinhood says you may need to complete identity verification before you can trade crypto, and you also need enough available cash in your account because crypto can't be bought with margin buying power. Next, tap the search bar and type Doge or Dogecoin. Robinhood currently has a dedicated Dogecoin page, which confirms Doge is available to buy on the platform. Open that page, check the price chart, and then tap Buy. Robinhood also says you can start buying Dogecoin with as little as $1. After that, enter the dollar amount you want to invest. Review the order details carefully, then submit the trade. Robinhood says crypto orders can be placed as market or limit orders, and its market buy orders are collar protected to help manage sharp price moves. Now, about whether Dogecoin is worth buying, that depends on your goals and risk. Tolerance. Dogecoin can move very quickly, so it's usually better to start small and only invest money you can afford to leave in a highly volatile asset. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.